Look at this dish labeled as cheese. But guess what? There is not a single gram of dairy in it. Today, we are diving deep into the culinary mystery of head cheese to uncover why this meatloaf wears a misleading label, and how a Latin word for mold created one of food history's greatest tricks. We often assume that the word cheese in a name implies dairy, but head cheese is actually made entirely from meat cuts taken from different parts of the pig's head. Despite being a complex food art form requiring patience and skill to transform humble ingredients into something special, it remains strictly protein and gelatin. So why the confusing name? The answer lies in the Latin word forma, which refers to the mold used to shape both actual cheese and terrines like head cheese. This shared molding process is the root of the French word for cheese, fromage, leading to a linguistic overlap that confused cooks for centuries. Historically, calling this meat product a head loaves would have been incredibly unappetizing to diners. By attaching the familiar word cheese to the name, butchers utilized a clever marketing tactic to make the dish sound more inviting and less like eating raw animal heads. When you slice into this delicacy, you are not seeing curds and whey. You are looking at jellied meat that has been steamed or roasted. Experts like Chef Michael Bonk explain that creating the best head cheese is a true art form, transforming humble ingredients from the pig's head into a surprisingly sophisticated culinary experience. This unique dish serves as a perfect example of how language can diverge from reality in gastronomy. While you can find head cheese in gourmet restaurants today, the name persists as a historical artifact rather than a culinary classification, bridging the gap between ancient preservation methods and modern dining. The most impressive fact is that despite its name, head cheese contains absolutely zero dairy. It is a testament to how our ancestors used wordplay to overcome the psychological barrier of eating organ meats, creating a beloved spread that is deliciously, strictly meat-based. Now you know the secret behind the label. It's a meat art form, not dairy. But what other food names in your culture are total lies? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more deep dives into culinary history.